Hello everyone, welcome back. I want to make some Petri Effect cabochon charms today. So what we're gonna do is put some of this Craftor resin in this little cup because it's easier to pour out of the little cup. I'm not filling them all the way full, but mostly. Because I'm gonna probably put a black back on them. I did put this in the vacuum chamber. I did let it sit on the counter for a few minutes because I was doing something else, but I didn't do that on purpose. Usually I just come straight over here and start working on these. If you see any hair or anything in there, just use tape to get it out. This is one of my old molds. But I'm not gonna do too many that way, you know, the video isn't really long. Just a simple, quick video. So let's get some colors in here. We're gonna do turquoise. We'll do a pear. I think that's all I'll do for those ones. Turquoise and pear. Mix up your sinker white. Shake it really well. Now I'm only gonna do 2 drops of white. I'm gonna do one right here and one right there. Okay, now we'll do some orange. And red up here at the top. And magenta. And a sapphire blue. We've got dandelion yellow. Oh, goodness. Oh, no, it went in that one. Goodness gracious, did you see that? Dandelion yellow. Ugh. I did not mean to do that. And a red. Dark indigo. And a green. Oh, goodness. I'm also gonna do a cerulean. This will just be cerulean, that's all we're gonna do. One color. 2 drops. Oh, no. Oh, I said 2 drops. Okay, I got it. Okay, guys. I'll come back and stir these in about 20 minutes. All right, guys, I did come back and draw a line through them. I think one of them I did 2 lines, and then I put a black back on them. I didn't hit record when I did the lines, but I do have other videos showing how to make the lines, but super simple. You know, you don't have to swirl if you don't want to. You can just make it really simple. I'll link that other video in the description if you want to check it out. Okay, guys, let's take a look at these. I had poured these as well when I turned the camera off. But you can do so many things with one mold. You know, I've used this mold and I've done rock salt in it. I've done a bloom in it. And now there's a Petri in it. Isn't that awesome? So beautiful. There's the turtle. Very pretty. Oh, yeah, I can see some bubbles in there. Darn it. You know, when I first poured it, I was not worrying about getting the bubbles out. And I over poured and everything else. Totally okay though. Beautiful. Okay, and this one. What the heck is up with that bubble right there? But yeah, you can do a Petri in anything. Still pretty. Kind of looks like it's supposed to be there. Okay, so here's these three. Super cute. Now let's see how these turned out. Ooh. Man, I was going crazy on the overpour. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Very awesome. Ooh, stunning. Beautiful. Aw, this one, look. Okay, see there? It goes straight to the top. Like one blob to the top. Very pretty though. Looks really, really nice. Which I love doing the Petri effect. It's fun, it's beautiful. My overpour was absolutely crazy. Oh my gosh. And that one's so cool. Yeah. Try not to move, sorry. Isn't that neat? Such a cool effect. And once again, some more overpour. But these make great keychains or necklaces. Oh, beautiful. That's really nice too. Love it. Very cool. One more. No overpour. I'm shocked. Ooh, gorgeous. That's very nice. Hopefully it's focused in on that. I think it looks beautiful. I hope you guys like those. I think they turned out great. Very, very beautiful. Nice. Okay, guys. Very easy to get the Petri. No matter what you want to do it in, you can make some really cool stuff. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have an extraordinary day. I'll see ya.